All right, fisher folks, good morning. Right out here with our friends today. It's really nice weather today, guys. There's like maybe about 100 boats came out, but I'm thinking maybe they went out to point. What's that point, bro?
What's the
What's the point?
Pigeon Point Lighthouse.
Yeah, they went to Pigeon Point, I think, to go for salmon. It's not so much of them here, like maybe about 10 here, but I think they all went down there. So, but it's okay because we're going. Yeah, we're gonna go for rockfish today, guys. Okay, with my friends over there. I'm not gonna show you. They're setting up their stuff. What we're using right now, it's a high and low. I'm with Patrick, Rudy, Vincent. So it's only 4 of us today. It'll be a good thing today, guys. So not even wind right now. It's really nice. So hopefully we can catch something today, guys. Okay. All right, here we go. There we go, guys. Mr. First Fish.
I got my first bite too. On my food.
First fish, first bite. Oh, that's a good size. Oh my goodness. Look how big that is. Look how big that brown is, man. That's a big brown, bro.
Oh,
Nice one. Ooh, look at that.
first one. Thank you guys.
There you go. First one going on in this neighborhood, man.
We're on the Canary Boulevard, my friend. Okay.
Oh, that's a nice size again, bro.
Mr. Brown.
Man, that's a nice brown, man.
Alrighty.
There you go.
What color do they like today?
Another brown. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
He's on.
Me too.
Fish on.
Fish on.
They're here. They're here.
Dude, lost it. Lost mine. Get two? Oh, nice canary. I told you we're in the Canary Island. Good job, man. Nice size. Good canary. It's a keeper. Oh, hang on, man. Hang on, bro. It's gonna fall out. No, hang on.
Somebody get it.
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, it's a Lincoln. It's almost there. Yay! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! It's a keeper Lincoln, brother.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a keeper.
That's a keeper. Hey, measure it first. I know it's a keeper, but just measure it. Just in case. 22 and a half.
It's your choice.
22 and a half. It's a keeper. Brown.
Oh, that's a sweet size brown.
Guys, first fish of the day. Ready? Fish on two? Fish on two? Oh! Oh!
Patrick, come
Oh,
on.
Patrick!
Nice brown, bro.
Brown! Oh, yeah.
Come on, brown.
Brown! Got another brown! Dude, you're catching a lot. This guy got a brown. This guy right here, fish on two. Triple.
Alright.
Good size. Triple. So we run into a little patch again of fish. Finally, there we go. Nice brown, Patrick.
Drop Patrick.
There we go. Nice size. There you go.
There, baby.
There you go. There you go. Fish on again to Mr. First Fish.
Where are you? You trying to video the snag on? Baby one.
That's all right. That's a good size.
That's good size.
It's a good size. There you go. It's another brown.
Puts a lot of rice on that.
Oh yeah, bro. Some rice, a lot of soup in it. It should be good to go, man. Yeah, there's two guys right there, fish on.
Brown.
Oh my God, the whale, whale. Oh my God, look at that, the whale, guys. Awesome. Hey, he's next to us. Oh my God.
Well,
He's just right there.
It just breached.
Oh, I got him on a video. I got him, bro. I got him on a video. They're just right next to us. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Awesome, a whale.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's right
so
there in front of us.
close.
He's still right there. He's still right there.
So close to us.
Yeah, it's right there. Nice.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh wow, guys.
What a treat.
Oh, that's a treat right there.
Oh,
Oh, beautiful.
You got a fish?
Beautiful, beautiful. Ah, I think it's still there, right there.
Right there.
Right there, there you go, guys. You see him?
man.
Nice. Oh, beautiful day today, guys.
You can't beat that.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, I feel.
Man, I feel like I'm gonna cry, guys.
Yeah. Hey.
Another fish for Mr. Pigeon. There you go, guys. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Really nice. Wind start picking up, but it's not as much. It's still good. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice brown again, Rudy.
Baby brown.
Oh, you got someone's
And I
line.
got some other lines too.
There you go. What you got one? There you go. It's Mr. Rudy again. There you go. That's it. That's a good one. Oh, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on, fish on. There you go. Mr. Patrick, fish on. Oh, fish on too.
Fish on!
Fish on too? Oh yeah, they're here. Oh, nice. Good size.
Patrick's spot is good.
Patrick's spot is good. Oh my goodness. Everybody's getting a fish. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Okay, just woke up. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, look. Oh, look at that, guys. He's got a link on.
Oh, wow.
Definitely not a keeper, but
There you go, guys. There's another fish. Well, right now, good. There's a lot of dolphins around, swimming around. That's for sure. It's really nice scenery. Really nice. Dolphin and a whale. And this guy just caught him another
brown.
brown. There we go. Nice size. Good job, Vincent.
Yeah.
Maybe a fish.
All right.
Oh my goodness! A vermilion!
Whoa.
Oh!
All right, baby.
Man, good job, brother.
Daddy.
Nice! Nice one, man. Nice vermilion. Jab again, Rudy.
Oh yeah, buddy. Double trouble happened, baby.
Nice, that's double the fun, man.
Right, there they are.
Yeah, mine is just a dingy blue, brown.
Either link or the two. See it. See color. See color.
Color.
I see color.
All right.
And brown.
Dang,
Hey.
man.
I see color.
That's it, bro. Double trouble.
There you go, guys.
Man. Double trouble.
Ah. My goodness.
Man.
That one.
Oh, nice. Lingcod. Goldie. Vermilion.
Brilliant, brother.
Wow.
There you go, guys. Another nice one. Whew.
Yo.
Oh,
Hey, look at that.
Oh man, that's a good one. It's a China.
Little snack.
Yeah, good night. Good job, buddy.
Ooh, nice. I felt a thumb. And line pool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, double. Maybe this guy good.
Oh, I'm giving you some fish.
Right.
Oh my God. That's a real nice one, brother.
That's a good
That's
one.
a good one.
Oh, look at this, look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness. There you go.
Fish on too, guys.
Let me get a picture with you.
All right.
One more fish for you.
I want to fish. I got one too, bro.
I got one too.
I hope you like same
That's
thing.
good, bro.
Me too.
Same group.
Again, he just dropped this line and just got another one. This guy right here. Oh, fish on too. I got fish on. She's got brown, I got fish on.
Fish.
You got one too?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Oh no, it's fish.
Look at this guy, man. This is the guy who's like, this is Mr. Oh no. That's a good size too, bro. Nice size, man. There you go, guys. Everybody's catching fish. There you go, guys. There's another fish for Mr. Vincent. Another one.
Another really big one.
Oh my goodness. Nice, very nice Burmese.
Came my chest. Almost.
Oh my goodness. Good job, brother. There you go, guys. Patrick's getting a bit. He's getting a bite, and then Rudy over there, he said he caught one again. Let's see. Rudy's been catching them. Oh yeah, nice, man. I know. Good size, man.
Okay.
There you
The
go.
one I got from.
Good size, guys. Oh my God, that's another big one.
Wow.
That's another big one.
for me. Holy cow.
That's nice, brother.
Oh my God. Just a good size brown. Oh, that's a good brown, man. Nice brown. Oh yeah, you got it. Brown. Good brown.
I'll give you a brown.
Good size. All right, there you go.
A brown.
There you go, guys. That's a nice brown again. That's Mr. Pigeon. Oh, that's a good size too, bro. Now you've been catching all the good ones today, man. Oh, you got two of them. There you go.
Fish.
And you got a fish too.
Wow.
There you go. There it is.
That's my limit.
There's his limit right there. This guy right here. Well, you got to let that go, brother.
Yep.
There you go, guys. This is how you're gonna do the release again.
So I got 1.5 pound weight,
That's it.
1 pound weight, open bail, and then as soon as I release this one, it's gonna go down with it.